Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl T back with another video. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to make a YouTube intro as well as an outro. It's done the same exact way for YouTube using Capcut. This was requested by one of my very special members and subscribers, so this one is for you, Queen. All right, y'all. So if you're new here, thank you for stopping by my channel. Please consider liking the video, sharing the video out to help that YouTube algorithm, leaving me a comment because I do answer each and every one, and I do love interacting with you all. For the returning members and subscribers, you already know the vibe, fam. Welcome back. Welcome back. All right, y'all. So today's video is done a little unconventional. I'm doing this on my couch. And there's that. Okay. All right, y'all. So we're going to go ahead without further ado, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to get into this thing. Okay. So I'm going to share my screen. And wait a minute. Before I do that, let's make sure. Okay. I have it up already. All right, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. We're going to go ahead and we're going to get into this thing and hopefully make it short, sweet, and to the point. Okay? That's the goal. All right? That's the goal. All right. Going to pull this up. All right, y'all. So this is what I want y'all to see. This is my Capcut screen right here. Okay? So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to create a new project, right? You are going to, let me spread this out because that's looking a little weird. Oh, I can't. Okay. Okay, but y'all can still see. All right, cool. All right, and you get a screen that looks something like this, okay? So the first thing you're going to do, or the second thing you're going to do, is you're going to come over here and you're going to go to templates right here, okay? And I'm going to type in YouTube intro. Ooh, didn't mean for that to be put in there. So YouTube intro is what we're looking for. We are just going to quickly try and scroll and find the one that I used because we don't need all this other noise and nonsense in my video because we don't need none of that. Okay. So this is your template right here. All right. So the first thing, if you look right over here to the right hand side, you'll see it says text and audio. The first thing we're going to remove is that name, and you're going to put your name, okay? Or whatever you want it to say. The connect, you're going to leave that. The beauty, you're going to just highlight it, and you're going to change it to crafting or whatever your channel is about, okay? And then the with me, you're going to leave that as is. This right here, you're going to take this out, or you could just simply change it and add whatever you want there, okay? But I'm going to take that out. I don't need anything there, right? So we filled in our blanks that we need thus far. Paragraph 6 is you're going to take, so basically you're taking anything out that is not you to edit the template. Does that make sense? Hopefully that makes sense, okay? So now we have the socials that we want in there, okay? Now, to change these pictures, we are going to come up here to import. And y'all, I'm going to, for the sake of this video and me having to scroll through a whole bunch of rigmarole that is unorganized on my computer, I'm just going to pick 7 pictures. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And no, they are not going to be in any particular fashion, or they don't even go together to be exact. And now all you are doing is you are where you don't even really have to drag and drop, because once you drop that one, it puts them in order. Now say you didn't want this one here, okay? You could switch them if you wanted to. You could crop it, you could do any of that, but that's not what we want to do. We're just going to leave it. But I just want you to know that you can reorder these pictures to your liking. Okay. So now we're just going to play this back and see what we get. Okay. And we have all of our socials here. Looks pretty good. If for me just to have thrown some pictures together, we'll take it. Then you would come up here to your export button. Okay. And you would save this to wherever you want to export this to. Okay. Now I'm a pro user, so I'm going to do the super resolution on it. Okay. Now I definitely will, and it's going to come back. I just have it's doing its resolution thing. And then you can also name this. We're going to say this is called YouTube tutorial intro. So this will let me know that it's nothing that I really need to do. Now, as you can see down here at the bottom, it's telling me that one task is left to be applied. Everything has been applied, okay, from my pro benefits. What you would do now is export, okay, and however long it takes to export on your computer. And then all you would do, okay, so we got it. Now this video is saved to my desktop or my laptop, and I could share it. I could share this to TikTok. I could share this to YouTube if I wanted to. But I have this visibility set for private because I'm not sharing this out right now. Okay. And that's how it would look. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to cancel this. Okay. And that is as simple as that, guys. That's it. It's nothing to it, really. Okay. So I hope this video helped you out. And if you learned something, you found any value to this content, please smash that subscribe button for more tutorials such as this. Please check out all of the other content on the channel. I'd love to have you as a part of my crafty family. Until next time, peace, be blessed, stay crafty. I'm your girl T, and I'm out. Bye, y'all. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.